Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to make cornbread from scratch. Preheat oven to 425 degrees F and grease an 8-inch pan. Mix 2 cups cornmeal with 1 cup flour, 1/4 cup sugar, 1 tablespoon baking powder, and 1 teaspoon salt. Whisk 2 eggs with 1/3/4 cups milk and 1/4 cup melted butter. Fold wet ingredients into dry until just combined, pour into pan, and bake. Start by sifting dry ingredients to avoid lumps and ensure even rise. Use buttermilk or milk with 1 tablespoon vinegar for tang and tenderness. For sweeter cornbread, add up to 1/2 cup sugar, or for savory, fold in 1/2 cup corn kernels and 1/4 cup chopped jalapeno. Avoid overmixing to keep crumb tender, and test doneness with a toothpick inserted in center coming out clean. Once baked, let cornbread cool 10 minutes before slicing to finish setting. Store leftovers wrapped at room temperature up to 2 days, or refrigerate up to 5 days in airtight container. Reheat slices in toaster oven or microwave for 20 to 30 seconds until warm. Freeze portions up to 3 months wrapped tightly and thaw overnight in refrigerator or warm gently in oven to restore texture. Add a pat of butter when serving to enhance flavor.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.